Update profile Flutterflow. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to flutterflow.io. Click Start for free at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your name, email address, create a password, confirm your password, and then click Create Account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click Create New. In the search bar, type Profile Dashboard to see a variety of profile dashboard style templates. Scroll through the results until you find one that matches your preferences. After choosing your preferred template, click Use Template. Give your project a name, such as Alexander Profile. Then click the Create Project button. In the workspace, you can freely edit the elements by clicking or dragging them. For example, you can change the name to Alexander Lawrence and the username to AlexanderLawrence.ch. You can also update the profile picture by selecting the profile image element, searching for path in the right screen, and uploading your own image. Once you have completed your adjustments, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the eye icon to preview your design.